What's happening, everybody? It's Matt. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, folks, I got some Solana projects I think you guys might want to take a look at. Of course, recently, folks, it has been a very tough time for Solana projects. Not a whole lot are actually coming out. So we got to do a little extra digging to try to find those that are actually persisting through the bear market and actually getting ready to mint and hopefully be successful in the future. So if you guys are new, you guys know what to do. Drop a like, subscribe. I do post a ton of Solana content on this channel, specifically related, of course, to Solana NFTs. So that means, folks, let's get right into it. So the first project I wanted to show you today is called Raith, which is basically a mint date here of 12th, and it is 5,555 LVEFs. Forging the LVEF tools in Solana. So a lot of wordplay here. I don't really know how to pronounce all this, but basically, in short, what these guys are doing here is actually creating a tool that allows you to manage your whitelists on Discord. So it says easily manage your precious Discord whitelist role, and you guys can see they are a whitelist management tool. So combined with intuitive UI, owners can easily track, manage, and assign whitelist roles. For members, it ensures that you will never lose your precious whitelist role again. So very cool to see. They talk a little bit about the LVEF mission, protectors of their brethren in the land and the harmony of nature. With the LVEF code, we aim to protect and deliver value for the chosen ones, the, DAOs, holders, all of that, etc. Thriving projects and communities from potential threats and vulnerabilities. At the same time, they can be at ease in managing their assets. So here is what they are offering to each different group. So if you are an owner of a project, they have a way to manage all the whitelist, inventory of collaborations, tracker to avoid over allocation. So that way, if a project is trying to give whitelists out, I guess they won't give too many. Some protection, Discord bot, all of that. Then if you are an individual player, someone who just wants to buy them, you have a dashboard, profile picture alerts, all of that. And if you are a DAO group, get a leaderboard, Discord bot, and some other stuff there as well. So very cool to see. Again, definitely does look like it has some actual value. And I could very well see something like that becoming popular if we ever move back to, say, a whitelist meta in the future. Because remember, folks, we're not really in a whitelist meta now where whitelist is like the biggest thing ever for NFTs, but that could change tomorrow. You know, if there are a few projects that come out tomorrow and it's trendy to have whitelists again, that's very well something that could happen. But before we go any further, do you like NFT whitelists? Because if you do, the Patreon down below is the place for you. I have worked tirelessly to make the Patreon one of the best places you guys could be for NFTs. For only $10 a month, we have an entire team dedicated to finding you whitelists. You guys also get one-on-one access to me, group coaching calls, and so much more. To be honest, guys, it is a steal for the price it's at. If you're looking to take your NFT game to the next level, you guys have to check out the Patreon down below in the description. The next project I wanted to show you guys here is called NFT Leagues, which is a free mint and an escrow here for 14 days on Magic Eden. So very cool to see a free mint with this level of popularity. That's always great. A lot of times free mints are things people tend to not go for because they're not very popular or they don't even sell out sometimes. But NFT Leagues definitely does look very good. They are doxed and they have a little bit about the team with some LinkedIn's there, and that's always cool to see. So they're described as a next-gen play-to-earn gaming experience. Each uniquely hand-drawn character in the leagues is an NFT living and breathing on the Solana blockchain. So combination of special traits. Each game that is played will be simulated by an immutable algorithm that determines the outcome. Each round will allow a player to select 3 NFTs from their roster and then watch the simulation of the outcome. So almost like a click-and-play like RPG kind of thing is my guess, but they basically offer a 365 gaming experience. Very cool, and you guys can see here is their Twitter, 17,000 followers, which certainly is not bad. Again, there aren't all that many projects coming out, so we definitely do have to be attentive with something like this. So they say that their PDE gaming platform is VC backed and set to be a game changer in the space. So very, very cool stuff to see here from NFT Leagues. I do really enjoy NFT gaming, and it definitely is an industry that really is not where I think it could be in the future. So I'm always going to be in support of new NFT gaming projects, and hopefully some of them will pop off in the near future. And the final project I wanted to show you guys is Women of Mars. So this is actually a second collection here from Miners of Mars, which is a pretty popular project on Solana. You guys can see floor price isn't all that high right now, but 314 listed as 7,000. That's definitely not bad. And you guys can see they do have the OSM token. I actually think I owned a Miners of Mars at one point. I don't think I have one right now, but this is a project that I have followed for a little while over on Twitter here, and you guys can see mint is scheduled for the first half of August. featured on the Magic Eden launchpad, and all miner holders will have the privilege to mint the women with their hard-earned OSM, so actually using the token they've been giving people to mint, which is cool. The price for the Women of Mars NFT will be 200 OSM, and the holder mint will have no limits, so you can mint as many as you want. Circulation at the time will allow for close to 50% of the NFTs to be minted with the OSM token, and the remaining 50% will be located to non-holder whitelists, but it is pretty cheap. I imagine if you wanted something like this, you would probably just buy one and use their token. So yeah, definitely does look cool. This project has had a lot of trading volume in the past. I do remember this being at the top of the Magic Eden collections a couple of times. So definitely perhaps look into Miners of Mars and see whether or not this is something you guys might like. But with that being said, folks, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have enjoyed. If you guys did, you know what to do. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe again, check out the Patreon down below in the description, guys, for tons of awesome NFT stuff. Thank you guys so much. My name is Matt. I'll see you all on the next one. Peace.